Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today we are gonna see if the bigger wheels killing the range of your electric car. On my car I fitted 19-inch wheels, and on factory car we have 17-inch wheels. We are gonna travel to a destination that is 170 kilometers away, and we are gonna see the difference between the kilowatt hours that we are gonna consume. So our trip started. We are now driving 10 kilometers in highway with 100 kilometers an hour. Both cars are charged to 90%, and we have the AC turned on and 26 Celsius auto. We are going to travel 340 kilometers, and probably we will need to charge on our way back to home. I'm curious to find out if the bigger wheels without the aero cap is killing the range of the car, and how bad is this? Probably it will affect the range of the car, but how much? We are about to find out. While I'm driving, you will see now at home I measured the difference between the weight of the 19-inch wheel and my factory wheel with the aero cap. So let's go and see this. So guys, I took out one wheel from my car, and this is the factory wheel. I want to show you that the overall diameter is exactly the same. The only difference is the width. This wheel is 17 by 7, and this wheel is 19 by 8. It's a little bit bigger here. So when you have a wider wheel, it means that it has more resistance on the road. You have better grip, better handling, but you will consume more. It takes more energy to stop and more energy to start. Also, when you move the weight of the wheel further away from the axle, this requires more energy from your car to get it going. And now we are gonna put them on the scale and see the difference in the weight. So this wheel, 23.3 kilos, and the factory wheel, 21.9 kilos. So it's 1.4 kilos per wheel heavier. That's it with the wheels. Let's get back to the video. Now we have been driving 25 kilometers on the highway. My car has 83% of battery, and it's consuming 20 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers. We are going to ask the car in front how much battery has left. Now, Vageli, just tell me how much battery you have left on your car. What is the percentage?
96.
96 or 86? 86. Okay. So my car has 83 battery, and his car has 86. 83. I'm 3% less than you. How many kilowatt you are using per 100 kilometers?
16.6.
Mine is at 19.9. Now we are exactly at 100 kilometers of traveling, and I have 57% of battery, and I'm using 21 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers. We are gonna ask our friend now. How much battery do you have?
64.
Okay, so now at 100 kilometers we are using 8% more per 100 kilometers. Guys, we just arrived to Kragerø, and we will see now what the cars consume. Both cars started from 90% battery. Now on the blue car with the factory wheels we have, let me show you here, we have 46% left and 169 kilometers estimated range, and it will consume 16.6 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers. And on the orange car with the big wheels, we will see now. The orange car has 35% left battery and estimated range 120 kilometers. It consumed 19.9 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers. Kragerø was amazing. We walked around the city, we ate burgers, and now we are on our way back to Oslo. Here we need to travel 170 kilometers, but the estimated range on the orange car with the big wheels is 120 kilometers. So it's not enough, we have to charge again. We are going to drive some more, because as long as we drive more and more, the gap between the orange car and the blue car is getting bigger and bigger. So we're gonna drive more to see how big will be the difference, and we will stop again at Tesla superchargers and charge for our way back. I think also the blue car is going to need charging. Next video, I'm planning to put a sound system on the MG4. We are going to make a sub box from fiberglass, and we are going to upgrade all the 4 speakers. So if you don't want to miss this video, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel so you get notification every time I'm uploading one video. So guys, we arrived to our finally charging destination. My car has driven 255.7 kilometers. Both cars have driven the same. I have 9% left battery and 29 kilometers worth of range. and my car was consuming 19.3 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers. So now we are going to ask the blue car that is standing right in the next charger there. Blue car, please tell us your statistics, how much battery you have and how much range you have and what did you consume.
22% battery,
Okay.
80 kilometer
Okay.
range left,
60 kilometers more than us.
16.3 kilowatts per 100 kilometers.
Thank you so much. Thank you for everything. And I think, guys, now it's the time to make our conclusion. So he has 60 kilometers more from us, so he could easily drive to 310 kilometers in highway driving. We barely could make it to 280. So the bigger wheels cost you 60 kilometers in a highway driving. When you drive through the city with lower speed limits and all these things, it's not so bad. But these cars, they really consume electricity in the highway. So that's about it. In the next video, it's coming. We will put a sound system, a very nice sound system in the MG4. So stay tuned, like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video. I hope you enjoyed. Huge thanks to my friend Vangelis and his wife for driving with us to this little road trip we did to compare these two cars. I hope I see you on the next one. Bye.